guys.
Halo guys.
My name is Gilang Algani.
Ini Muhammad Eki Saptadiansyah.
I'm Andra Reloka Fadila.
Entry passport is 207.
My number student less 209.
Last name 218.
And here to review the component of electrical.
Welcome and enjoy our video.
The first component we review is the resistor. Resistors are one of the components that are included in passive components. In the world of electricals, resistors have an important role in regulating electric current in a circuit. The general function of resistor is a voltage regulator, current regulators, distribution voltage, protector of circuit component. Firstly, the resistor functions as a voltage regulator in a circuit by providing resistance to current flow. Second, resistor also acts as current regulator for limiting the amount of current flowing in an electrical circuit. So, the current can be adjusted according to needs and will not cause circuit malfunction. Third, distribution of voltage in a circuit. By placing resistor in a certain configuration, source voltage divider, the voltage value at certain points in the circuit can be adjusted as needed. Fourth, resistor function as protector of the other electrical component from excessive current. By placing resistor as a part of a circuit, they can act current regulate and protect more sensitivity component from damage.
Okay, the ring colors include black is 0, next brown is 1, and red is 2, orange is 3, yellow is 4, green is 5, blue is 6, purple is 7, gray is 8, and white is 9. And also there is a ring for tolerance, value of resistance, silver 5% and gold 10%. For how to read it, on for ring resistor we only read the first three rings, and the last ring is a tolerance. For example, on resistor that I'm holding, there are 4 rings on this resistor. There is purple which has a value of 7. Next, red with a value of 2, and the last yellow with a value of 4. This means that the resistance value can be read, namely 72 with 4 zeros behind it, or 720,000 ohm or 720 kilo ohms with a tolerance of 5%. Are also variable resistor. You can see them in the image on the screen. For example, there are a potentiometer, NDC, PTC, and LDR. Okay guys, that was a little explanation about resistor. After this, there are still some explanation of other components. Stay tuned guys.
Next, there are capacitor. Capacitor are electrical components used to store voltage or electrical charge. However, it cannot be compared to a battery because capacitor can only store temporary electrical voltage. This is different from battery, which can store for a long time. The capacitor that I'm holding is a type of electric capacitor because of its tubular shape. Okay, capacitor also have various types depending on the material used, namely ceramic capacitor, electrolytic capacitor, paper capacitor, and tantalum capacitor. The capacitor that I'm holding is a type of electrolytic capacitor because it's the tubular shape. On this capacitor, there's also voltage limit widen. You can see how that the voltage limit is 50 voltage. Okay, thank you.
Okay, this is another component commonly used for electronic circuit. This is a transistor. Whose function is usually as an amplifier or switch. Transistor have a characteristic, namely the presence of three lights. This characteristic identifies this transistor component. The three lights on this transistor are terminals which have their own name and function. This is emitter. This is emitter, and the middle is the base, and this is a collector. This emitter function as a source of electrons. This base function to regulate the flow of electrons from the emitter to the selector, and this selector function to collect electrons that have been arranged by the base. And for the transistor that I'm holding, it is included in the bipolar junction transistor. Okay guys, the last component that we will explain is LED or light emitting diode. It's a type of lamp that is very efficient and long lasting. One of the interesting things about LEDs is that they come in a variety of colors, from red, green, blue, or white. If you have ever looked at the end of the remote TV, you must have seen this thing, because LEDs have a function as signal transmitter. Apart from that, LEDs also have other function, namely as decorative light and as indicator. Sorry, and as indicator. Okay, thank you.
Hello guys, next this is alphometer, an essential tool in the world of electricians. What is an alphometer? An alphometer is a device used to measure three main things: current, voltage, and resistance. This is where the name alpho comes from. Part of an alphometer. First, measurement dial indicators and the type measurement you want to perform. Second, probe connection usually has two probes, red for positive and black for negative. Display shows the measurement results, which can be analog or digital, and this alphometer is digital. Function of the alphometers: measuring current. To find out how much current flows in a current. Seconds, measuring voltage. This is to check the voltage at the specific points in the circuit. And 3, measuring resistance, to determine the resistance of a components. Next, how to use the alphometer. Current measurement. Set in the current position. This connects the probes and red value on the display in this. Second, voltage measurement. We set to the voltage position and connected the probe to point we meant to measure. The 3, resistance measurement. In resistance, set in the two resistance position, ensure the correct is off, then connect the probes. This is how to use the alphometers. And the last conclusion, the alphometer is a very useful tool for technical and electrical hobbies. By standing in, you can perform various measures to use your electrical circuit function properly. Thank you. Okay, next is a mini project that we will demonstrate. The name is a flip-flop like circuit. A flip-flop like is a symbol circuit that display two light that light up alternately for the same duration. The material include resistor. I'm using the resistor for 470 ohms of watt pair and 10,000 ohm 1 pair for 2, and the next component is to LED and the color is red. Here is two capacitor and I using the capacitor with the 3030 microfarad and capacity 13.5 volt. Next, I'm using two transistor with type BC 547. Next, the voltage source we using the battery 9 volt, and this is a project board. What the component we using order the PCB. Next, we just have to assemble is according to the circuit picture. This is flip-flop light circuit. We can see the LED light is on 1 to 1 for display to like the alternative for the same duration. Okay, this mini project with electrical circuit what we review. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for watching our video.
See you next. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
I know.